Hi friends! In this video I show you how to draw and color unicorn Hello Kitty. Let's start drawing! I start with her two cute eyes. I drew her little nose. Then I drew the shape of her face. I drew her bow. Her 2 ears. Now I drew some flowers on the top of her head. Then I drew a unicorn horn. Now let's draw her body. I start with her dress. A flower, a little heart on her chest. I drew her skirt, her two arms. Then I divide the skirt with 7 lines. Finally, I drew her 2 legs. Very cute! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring! I start with her bow, and I use this bright purple marker. Now I use yellow for the nose and the horn. For the flowers, I use fuchsia. Light orange. Purple. A light green. Now I use pink for the upper part of her dress. Red for the little heart. And now let's color the skirt with the rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, purple, light purple, and fuchsia. Beautiful! Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.